Hey guys, hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a little bit of the strength training that I do. I'm new at this. I was new when I started it, and I watched this guy on YouTube that pretty much show you some minimum workouts that you can do with dumbbells, for example, to get like a minimum of a workout. And from there I started reading on strength training, and I know that it does help with bone mass, especially if you're a woman that's getting older. You know, when you start going through menopause, you lose bone mass, so it's important to have some kind of a strength training mix in your workouts that you do. I also read that pretty much when you strength train, I can't talk, your body stays burning fat even when you're at rest. So once you do it, for example, in the morning, throughout the day it's doing its thing. So I was like, ooh, that sounds really good to me. Another thing is basically getting leaner and toned. I really am like insecure about my arms. That's one thing that I've always been like, oh my god. So I started doing a lot of arm workouts because I'm trying to get toned and, you know, get that, you know, so I can wear my tank tops and stuff like that. Here I have 10-pound dumbbells, and I'm going to show you one of the first moves that I usually do. And all you want to do is just have your weights here, and you want to go up and come back down, up, come back down. And you want to make sure that you're standing really straight, your posture is good, and your shoulder is strong. So you want to go up, down, up, down, up, down. So once I'm done with that, the next one that I always do is this, and come back down. Okay, the next one that I do is one of these where I do it on the side instead. So I go like this, so this really helps with keeping the sides leaner. So I forgot to put on my sweatsuit, which is the one that I was showing you guys in my haul. Pretty much helps with the stomach area and stuff like that. So the other thing that I was going to show you guys is this move. Up, down, up. Okay, so the next one is a squat, but the squat is going to be with a dumbbell. So you make sure that you place the dumbbell here, and you want to squat as much as so you want to be squatting.